Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Indesit DIE 2B19 integrated dishwasher, or the DIE 2B19 as we call it at work. And what I want to do is to show you around the dishwasher, some of the features and benefits that it offers. Just before I start, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, just give us a quick thumbs up. So despite this being one of the starting models in the Indesit range, it's actually really well specified. Just before I go through some of the features and benefits, I just wanted to point out that clearly this hasn't got the door on the front. It's not got the furniture door that you would normally have within your kitchen. So I know it looks a bit odd at the moment, and we've only not long got it out, so it's still got the gap at the top here. But when it's professionally installed, then clearly it's going to be raised up, it's going to have the proper furniture door, and it's going to look a treat. So I just mentioned about the specification being pretty good on this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to cover some of the programs that are on this dishwasher. So first of all, well, you've got the on and off button on the left hand side. This is the program selector. So all you need to do is, once it's switched on, just press the P and it will just toggle through the 5 programs on here. Now, as far as the programs go, clearly you've not got a display on here, so you don't know how long each program is. And on the first program, this is the Eco 50. So as it says, it's a 50-degree program. And the duration of that, so it's not a short program, that's about 3 hours 20, and it will use around 12 litres of water. As you go to the next program, the 65-degree program, that's the intensive. With that one, that's only around 2.5 hours, so it's quite a bit shorter than the Eco program. And that uses 16 litres of water, so it's a bit more water. As far as the mixed, so I suppose this is more of an everyday program. That's 2 hours 25, and that uses again around 16 litres of water. As you go on to the next one, this is almost at the other end of the scale. This is a 28-minute program, so this is what they call fast and clean. And the idea of this one is it's a lower temperature, it's only 45 degrees, and it uses around 9 litres of water, so it's pretty energy efficient. But the only thing I'd say on that kind of program is if you have got a full load in there, and if you have got, especially if you've done, say, something like a Sunday roast where you've got greasy pots and pans, then I'd normally recommend coming on to one of the other programs, because this fast and clean is really for, I suppose, things that aren't very dirty. So if you've, say, had a bowl of cereal or some toast, or you pop those in there, things are not that dirty. Whereas you've got things that are caked on a bit and need a bit more of an intensive clean, I'd recommend coming over to the left-hand side. The final one is called Push and Go, and that's a 50-degree program, and it's around 1 hour and 25 minutes. Put my teeth back in. So hour and 25 minutes, and at around 11.5 litres of water that it will consume. So basically, once you've selected the program, all you need to do is just press the start button, which is just there. Now, I'm really impressed that you've got a good range of programs on here. Some of the dishwashers in similar price range to this model don't have quite the range of temperatures and the range of programs. I think it's just to point out that the Eco 50 program, that is the main one. So if you wanted it to be more energy efficient, to use, I suppose, less water and also less electricity, then that's the main one to use. Just to go through the electricity consumptions, so for each wash you're looking around 1.04 kilowatt hours per cycle, 1.5, 1.35, 0.6 and 1.1. So you'll tend to find that the Eco 50 is a little bit more energy efficient, but clearly you need to make sure you've got the time for that to work and to go through the wash, because you're looking at 3 hours 20 for that program, as opposed to some of the quicker programs like 28 minutes. As we go inside the dishwasher, then you'll notice that you've got the little racks on the left hand side. Now these are ideal for things like little espresso cups, or especially if you've got things like bread knives, then that could be a good place to put them. If you don't want to use it, then you can just fold them up down the left hand side there. The reason I have to hold the door down is because clearly these doors are weighted, and it's assuming that I'm going to put a furniture door on it, and clearly it's not got a door on it at the moment, so that's why I'm just having to support the door to stop it springing back up. Anyway, at the top here you've actually got the option to raise or lower the top basket or the top tray, and all you need to do is just press these little tags into the side, and it's as simple as that. This is a brilliant design, and I must say that again, there are not many dishwashers within this price range that will do that. There are competitors that do it, but you normally have to go a bit higher in the range to get that kind of option. As you go to the bottom, first of all, you'll notice that you have got the full stainless steel interior. Again, it's something that other manufacturers are starting to go with, like a plastic or Polynox interior. And although it doesn't make a huge difference to things like the performance of the dishwasher, personally I like the stainless or the metal finish inside, mainly because if you do drop something, then it will normally dent it. I have seen several incidents where some of the cheaper manufacturers and what they've done with the plastic or the cheap Polynox interiors, where people have dropped something and it's cracked it. And of course, as soon as you crack it, that's pretty much it. That's a write-off for the dishwasher. As you come to the cutlery tray, so this is quite a standard layout. With these, you can take these out if you want to. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of leaving them in because it can get quite awkward when you put in the nice forks and spoons in here. I suppose what they're trying to do is they're trying to put these in here so that it spreads everything out to make sure you get a better wash performance. But if it's up to me, and if I bought the dishwasher, I'd take those bits out and just pop everything in individually. It doesn't matter where you put this within the bottom tray, because you've got these slots in here, then that can just pop into there and it can just go anywhere at the bottom of the dishwasher. So that's a very good design by Indesit again. I'll just pull this forward and just show you at the back here. Now, as far as the maintenance, it's nice and easy to keep clean. First of all, you can take the lower spray arm off if you want to. When it comes to cleaning the filter, all you need to do is just twist it, that comes out, and again you've got the filter on there. These are important to keep clean. I'd always recommend, I don't know, say once a week or once every couple of weeks, just clean the filters, because you will find that that can have quite an effect on the performance of the dishwasher. Over the left hand side here, you've got the salt. It is important again that you use dishwasher salt, don't use normal table salt. And also it's important to try and make sure when you fill it that you don't spill it. That's why I'm pleased that Indesit put this in. It's a cheeky little funnel. All that does is that will just pop in the top there, and it just makes it a lot easier to put the salt in and saves you spilling it. Oh, right. Pop the lid back on. There we go. Just at the front here, this is where you put the tablet. Just got the little tag on the side there. All you need to do is just pop your tablet or your gel pouch, whichever you're using, pop it in there, click that shut, and then partway through the program that will open on its own. You've got the rinse aid just here, and again it is important to use rinse aid. I'm not normally a huge fan of the 3-in-1 or 4-in-1 tablets and relying on everything that's in the tablet to wash everything. I'd always much prefer to have the salt, so put the dishwasher salt in, put good quality rinse aid in, and then use a tablet as well. And then what you should find is that the washing performance should be really good. If you're thinking of buying one of these dishwashers, I have provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Indesit DIE2B19 integrated dishwasher. All I'd normally ask is please subscribe to my YouTube channel, just give us a quick thumbs up. If you have got any questions on the dishwasher, clearly I've got it on display at the moment, so if I've not covered something that you weren't quite sure about, if you come to watch the video and I've not covered it, just pop it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Also, if you have got one of these, or if you've got a sister model like this, an Indesit integrated dishwasher, then let me know what you think about it, because I'd always appreciate the feedback. Thanks for watching.